Okay, well done.
Yeah.
This is protected. That's the case. This is the tower. That's down.
What is the name of the
WL-20BK.
BK? It's a GOG series, maybe.
Yeah. This is a pix. It's not milk. It's not English. Oh. Oh yeah. Okay.
Show us what is it.
So that's another cable. There's two cables in here. Oh my god. Holy.
Is it what you wish?
It is what I wanted, yes. It's oh my god. And the action's already good. There's no need to do anything. This is
For what?
2 humbuckers.
Two? Is it okay?
It's good.
Okay, let's see what we have inside
Yeah.
in all box, and then we will try to adjust it, and you will make a concert.
Precious. Holy.
Take this.
It's a cable.
To connect.
Yes, I know it more than you.
Amplifier.
This is the strap. Let me install this real quick.
British type power supply.
It's a. Oh, okay.
It's okay.
Oh, I know what this is for.
Harley Benton pick set.
Yeah, obviously.
To pick
Wait, how
something.
thick are they? Oh, damn. These are good.
And this one is amplifier. Very heavy.
Yeah, well, that's a tuner.
A tuner.
Yeah.
And we have very heavy amplifier.
Yeah, it's an amp. Of course it's very heavy.
HB-20R. What type of amplifier is it?
Oh, amp. It's a cheap amp.
It's for cheap.
Digital. No, it's not digital. It's considered cheap, but I'm still very happy.
Let's have 5 stars.
Wait, I'm trying to figure this out. Damn. Oh, you can also connect headphones to it. Yes, that's what I wanted. Actually, what I wanted.
It's heavy.
Yeah, well, duh. Okay. So this is a Harley Benton WL-20BK Rock Edition Warlock shaped guitar. Yeah, from Thomann. It has double humbuckers, a static bridge, it has 3 pickup positions, and 2 volume knobs. Very quality volume knobs. Very quality. Yeah. Then there's 6 strings, obviously. Yeah. A very 24 frets. And very good tuners, very good, like tuning knobs.
Cool.
Yeah.
What do you have inside?
So we have some picks, all 2 of each thickness. Then we have this for British sockets. We need this. Then a tuner from Thomann. Yeah. 2 cables. But this cable is like better and longer, I think. Or I may be wrong. And a Harley Benton amp. Yes. It has overdrive. It has clean. It has equalization.
Okay,
it has
let's
reverb.
unbox it. This one. What is it? This one.
And this is a guitar case for this type of guitars because it does not fit in the normal guitars because guitar cases.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's unbox everything and try to adjust and connect.
Sure.
Okay.
So we have gain, we have channel select, volume for overdrive, we have clean volume, we have treble, middle, bass and reverb. We have
Equalizers.
We have for this or the pedal connect, this where you connect headphones, and this is
Line.
for I don't know.
Learn out for PC or for something like this.
Oh yeah, fair.
And input.
For like digital pedals. Yeah, so this is where you plug in the guitar.
Yeah. What is it? Channel?
Yeah, that's the
channel. 8 channels.
Yes. Okay. Guitar case.
It's quality sync. It's heavy and...
It's not heavy, but whatever. Let's go.
Let's go.
It's just a bit big for us. Anyways, we have the 12 picks, 2 of each. I will use like 81s or 96 more. Because I don't like my picks to bend.
So let's unbox the tuner. Close it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Then we have one cable. Rip it open.
Now look how amplifier.
Yeah, duh. That's how it looks from the back.
It's a standard cable for guitars.
Yeah.
Like this. Here, yeah?
Yes. One of them goes here, and the other one. And instead of plugging it in, plug them here. No, you do this first.
And then
Then you plug it in.
Okay, let's help you.
Yeah.
There is a hook. Yeah, in.
I would put.
Tangleton. Ta-dam.
That's what we need. Okay. Baboon.
Like this.
Okay. Yeah. Like this. Yes, exactly.
You see it?
So I've been playing on this guitar for 2 weeks now, and I can say it's pretty good for its price. The build quality is okay. Could have been better, but it's okay. It does not have a tremolo, sadly, but it's okay, I guess. There's 2 humbuckers, which for metal, very good. Better than single coil for metal, yeah.
Show us what you can do after 2 weeks.
Sure.